All right, I want to dedicate just a short video to the discriminant. I really don't care about the discriminant, but you do have a homework question, maybe two, over the discriminant. And the discriminant, it says, determines the type of solutions a quadratic equation has by looking at the expression b squared minus 4ac. And that should ring a bell because it is part of our quadratic formula. It's the part that goes under the radical. So when we care if it's greater than 0, equal to 0, or less than 0. When it is greater than 0 or positive, what that means is that I have two real solutions. And if I have two real solutions, that means it's going to cross the x-axis twice. And so my graph would look something like this, where if it is concave up, it would start above, it would cross down below and cross back up, where it crosses the x-axis two different times. Or it could be concave down and do the same thing where it crosses twice. If my if my b squared minus 4ac equals 0, then that means it has only one solution, which means it doesn't cross through the x-axis, it just touches. And so basically what that means is that vertex is the x-intercept. And so that's why when I put on this front right here, that when we're solving quadratic equations, graphically you are finding its x-intercept / intercepts. More times than not, we're going to get two x-intercepts because it's an x squared. But it is possible that that vertex is the x-intercept. And so then it's only going to not even cross it, it's going to just touch it in that one spot. And then if we have the b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 or it's negative. Well, that's bothering me that those aren't the same. So we'll put pos and neg. Then it means it has no real solutions. So in fact, it would have two imaginary solutions, but we don't cover imaginary numbers in this class, but it would have no real solutions, two imaginary. So it means that the graph does not cross the x-axis. And so you can see here, it starts above, and then that vertex is also above it. So it just never crosses. Or if it was concave down, it could be down here and then be all down below that x-axis. And so it would never touch. And so you have one question that's talking about this. So positive means two real solutions, crosses twice. If it equals 0, one solution, it touches, and it looks like this. If it's negative, it has no solutions, which means it doesn't touch that x-axis.